What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Pepe, which has hit a red candlestick guys. It is down just about 12% in the last 24 hours. Not just Pepe, but majority of the cryptocurrencies are on the red side today, including Bitcoin, which has dropped down 7%, dropping from over $69,000 earlier on the day, hitting a new all-time high, to taking a little bit of a dip. So this has had a negative impact on the crypto market. So we're going to be focusing on this crypto, looking at what is next. Is it going to keep dropping? Is it going to pump back up anytime soon? And covering buyers and sellers point of view, what is the best option right now? Is it to buy it? Is it to sell it? Or is it simply to hold on to it? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring up the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Pepe, which is here in purple, and the crypto is actually trading at a slightly higher value here in red, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. They are not looking too steep, meaning this is quite realistic, especially after the drop that's taken place over the last 24 hours. I'm expecting a very slow recovery from Pepe, so an overall minimal increase in value from its current price range is what I'm expecting by midday to tomorrow afternoon. Reason being is because of the drop. But again guys, when it comes to Pepe, yesterday I did let you guys know, do expect a minimal drop in value from the crypto, as it is overvalued and it is likely to go for a price correction, and that is exactly what's happened right now. But from this point onwards, by midday tomorrow, it should be trading at a slightly higher value, so do expect quite of a wave. And again, that does not mean it's going to be hitting green candles consistently. It is likely to hit the odd red day here, the red hour here and there. But what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, we have taken quite a U-turn here. We've got the blue line looking slightly bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, the orange line is clearly looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and it is looking quite steep as well, meaning this is not realistic. So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of this week, early next week, I'm expecting Pepe to have gone for an overall minimal increase in value from where it is at the moment, so nothing too crazy. However, I'm also expecting it to hit red candles dropping below its current price range, because in my opinion and the predictions that I have done, the crypto is still overvalued and it's got a lot more to drop, but it's not going to drop straight away, so it's going to be quite volatile with pumps and drops, ups and downs. But the overall outcome does seem to be more on the positive side rather than the negative side at the moment. However, by the end of this week, early next week, the crypto does seem to be more at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Now, moving on to the daily chart, again, we are not looking too realistic here. We've got the blue and the orange line looking way too steep, heading towards the bullish direction, looking very positive. However, that is because of the major pump that Pepe has done over the last couple of weeks. As you guys can see, over the month, over 600% increase guys. That is not sustainable at all, and it is clearly overvalued. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, I'm not expecting it to go up another 600%, because that would be absolutely crazy. And essentially I'm expecting it to drop back down around 30 to 40% from where it is at the moment. So quite of a drop is what I'm expecting from Pepe by mid to late April. Yes, I know the Bitcoin halving is happening as well in April, which should have a major impact on the crypto market, but I don't expect Pepe to be following majority of the cryptocurrencies, because the Bitcoin halving shouldn't have an impact on cryptos like Pepe and Flocky and all of the little cryptocurrencies out there. But at the moment, I'm expecting it to literally, I wouldn't say crash back down, but slowly step back down in value over the coming weeks, making it trade at around its current SMA indicator or slightly lower than that in April, May. So what we're gonna do now is bring out the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, it is currently trading in the top tier level here, and that is another reason why I expected it to be overvalued, as it did not resist a single point where it broke out from the blue zone into the top tier level. So essentially what I'm expecting is for Pepe to be dropping back down into the blue zone is what I'm expecting. However, this again depends on how the crypto market performs, and obviously if there are any updates on Pepe that could have a major impact either in a positive or negative direction, I will let you guys know as soon as possible, because I have been doing daily updates on this crypto to keep you guys in the loop on what to expect and what to predict. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has dropped down by 9% in the last 24 hours, making it $3.5 billion in trading, which is still a huge amount. However, the reason we've seen a slight dip in trading is because the value has also taken a little bit of a step back. So most people are just holding back, waiting for it to either drop further or pump back up in value so they can either buy and sell the cryptocurrency. And I'm pretty sure majority of the people who are into the crypto market right now are stepping back after the little dip that's taken place on Bitcoin, and I'm expecting it to drop down a little bit further before it pumps back up. Again, if you are in my Telegram group chat, you would have known that I did predict this to happen. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below if any of your predictions have changed on Pepe after the little dip that took place today and the crypto dip that took place as well. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.